Welcome to this tutorial video from Airchain. Today we will guide you on how to create a pro forma invoice. A pro forma invoice is primarily used to document the advance payments and is issued by the supplier. This comes into play when a customer sends a purchase order with an advance payment stipulated in the payment terms. In such a case, the supplier creates a pro forma invoice to record this advance payment. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a pro forma invoice against a purchase order as a supplier. We begin with an email received from the customer displaying the purchase order, PO ID, and the customer's name. The purchase order also includes an attachment, which provides all the necessary details about the purchase order, such as the company, the shipping address, products included in the order, along with their prices and taxes. The terms and agreements are also present in this attachment. When you are ready to proceed, click on the Click Here to View button to view the purchase order. This will redirect you to the Airchain supplier portal. If you haven't logged in before, you will need to log in using your email credentials. Proceed to login. Upon successful login, you will be directly taken to the purchase order page. Alternatively, if you are already logged into the Airchain supplier portal, you can directly navigate from the home page. You can simply click on the notification icon to see the newly released purchase order. Click on the notification link to go to the purchase order page. You can also access the purchase order by clicking on the modules icon and then selecting purchase orders. This will take you to the purchase order listing page. Click on the code of the PO that you want to proceed with. It will take you to the purchase order view page. Before proceeding, you can review the general details like customer name, the date of the purchase order, and the payment terms, etc. Hovering over the payment terms will disclose a detailed breakdown of the payment. In the items details section, expanding it will reveal all the items included in this purchase order, along with their prices. The grand total, inclusive of tax, is also displayed here. If there are any attachments, they will be located in this section. By expanding the Terms and Conditions section and clicking on the eye icon, the terms of the agreement will be displayed. Clicking on the Accept button will lead you to an acceptance page. This page shows the creation of a delivery date and quantity breakdown provided by the customer. This breakdown has the customer's expected time of delivery. As a supplier, if you need to make adjustment, click here. Provide the accepted quantity and specify the date by which you can deliver the product. Once this is completed, if the accepted quantity matches the ordered quantity, the action stays disabled. If the quantity is less than the required quantity, the action button is enabled. Clicking on the action button will automatically fill in the remaining value from the required quantity. You can then provide the breakdown. If you require additional days, for example, you may input that. If you wish to erase the information, simply click on the Delete button. Once you're certain, click on the Accept button, confirming the successful acceptance of the purchase order. To generate a pro forma invoice, click on the Create Invoice dropdown, followed by selecting the Pro Forma Invoice option. This will navigate you to the Create Pro Forma Invoice page. Here you'll see the PO details, namely PO date, payment terms, and other relevant information. Notably, there's a field titled Auto-Generate PFI Document. Selecting Yes will allow Airchain to automatically generate a pro forma invoice document on your behalf and send it to the customer. If you prefer to create it manually, select No and provide all the necessary details here. This includes the pro forma invoice number, date, etc. To auto-generate the pro forma invoice, I'm going to choose Yes on Auto-Generate. If you have any relevant attachments to be added, you can add them here. The product details are displayed on this page. The grand total, which is the advance payment, will be displayed based on the payment terms. After verifying all the details, click on the Create button and then click the Submit button to confirm. You have now successfully created the pro forma invoice. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.